Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Ahmad Ilham Zafrin bin Zamri Idwan. I am 15 years old and I love reading. I am here because I love sharing. Sharing is caring, right? Well, today I would like to share with you the book that I have read recently. One day, as I was walking past a bookshelf in the library, this book caught my eyes immediately. The title of this book is Crime Watch. It is a fiction book written by Agnes Ong. It was published by PEP Publication in 2018. The genre of this book is adventure and surely it gives me a sense of excitement as a reader. The book is small in size, measuring 7 inches by 5 inches, making it easy to carry wherever I go. This book consists of 7 chapters and 44 pages. It is easy to understand because the author used clear and interesting language. The illustration of the book cover is visually engaging and informative. The drawing describes crime-related scenario. The character I like the most in this story is Kyrol. Kyrol is a very responsible student who is both intelligent and helpful. He also possesses a high level of empathy, which is why he is well loved by his neighbors. The story began with a thief incident involving unnamed in their neighborhood, which left her traumatized. The situation worsened when a kidnapping occurred on the school grounds. Ongoing incidents of blackmail, coupled with a recent robbery, have further undermined the sense of security in the neighborhood. Residents are hesitant to leave their homes, children are fearful and attending to school, and parents are consumed by constant worry for their family safety. Khairul and his brother Mokhtar cannot be, cannot bear to see their neighbors living in fear. They also sympathize with the victims who have suffered as a result of these incidents. Their concern of the safety of local residents drive them to collaborate with the police in the community to combat crime. Finally, through careful planning, relentless effort, and collaboration among all parties, the police successfully arrest the criminal. With their courage and determination, Khairul and Mokhtar not only help apprehend the criminal but also restore peace and trust within the community. They have become an inspiration to others, demonstrating that a strong sense of community and cooperation can lead to positive change. Reading this book truly inspires me to be a better person in all my endeavors. Khairul never wavers in his mission to combat crime. As a student, I inspire to emulate Khairul's determination by persevering in the face of challenge in my studies. I believe that consistent effort leads to success. Besides, as human beings, I must cultivate a strong sense of empathy, much like Khairul. Helping one another is a noble and valuable trait that everyone should develop. I hope that everyone possesses a high level of empathy as it can contribute to more harmonious life. Having effective planning and strong strategies when executing a task is one of the valuable lessons I have learned from this story. Proper planning leads to positive outcome. This principle can be applied my daily life as a student, especially when my teacher assigns important tasks. Lastly, this story teaches me that teamwork is essential for solving problems. As the English proverb states, many hands make light work. When everyone collaborates, even the most character even the most challenging tasks become more manageable. Thank you.